4 класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, жили-были, страница 94-95, English, spotlight for, homework, once upon a time, page number 94-95. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 94. Once upon a time. Exercise number 1. Lulu's dreams. Listen and say yes or no, then ask and answer. Сны Лулу послушайте и скажите yes или no. Затем задайте вопросы и ответьте на них. Nanny, my dreams last night were so funny. Were they, Lulu? Tell me about them. Well, first I was Cinderella, and I danced with the prince. You danced with the prince? What a lovely dream! And then I was with the ugly duckling, and I skated with him on the lake. You skated with the ugly duckling? That sounds like fun. But there's more. I was Goldilocks, and I served porridge to the 3 bears. Porridge? I've got an idea. Let's have porridge for breakfast today. Come on, Lulu. You can help me make it. В этом упражнении тренируются в употреблении вопросительной и отрицательной формы простого прошедшего времени. Past simple. Did you play in the park yesterday? They didn't watch a film last night. Здесь есть картинки из сказок. The answer. Cinderella. Jack and the Beanstalk. The Ugly Duckling. Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Dance with the prince. Yes. Climb the beanstalk. No. Skate with the ugly duckling. Yes. Serve porridge to the 3 bears. Yes. Visit the country mouse. No. После этого задай вопросы по картинкам и ответь на них, как это показано в образце. The answer. Did Lulu dance with the prince? Yes, she did. Did Lulu climb the beanstalk? No, she didn't. Did Lulu skate with the ugly duckling? Yes, she did. Did Lulu serve porridge to the 3 bears? Yes, she did. Did Lulu visit the country mouse? No, she didn't. And now, boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Now talk about Lulu's dreams. А теперь поговорим о снах Лулу. The answer. Lulu's dreams last night were so funny. First, she danced with their prince. Then she skated with the ugly duckling. After that, she served porridge to the 3 bears. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 95. 95. We must do exercise number 3. Look, read and complete. Посмотрите, прочитайте и вставьте пропущенное слово, соответствующее картинке. The answer. Last Saturday, my father and I walked to a small fishing village. There was a cafe there and we stopped for a rest. A man sailed by in a small fishing boat. My father shouted, "I hope you catch a fish." Suddenly, a big fish jumped out of the water and into the man's hat. The man was very surprised, and my father and I both laughed. Then the man tried to pick up the fish, but it dived back in the water. "I wanted to catch a fish," he shouted to us. "I didn't want a fish to catch me." It was very funny. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Write a story. Give it a title. Design the book cover. Напишите рассказ. Придумайте ему название. Нарисуйте обложку. The answer. Zoo, walked, animals, parrots, shouted, laughed. Chatterbox, the parrot. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.